Hello again. We're back in Chloraka again today. There's a little festival on. It was actually Easter Sunday when we recorded this video, and there was a little festival going on in the town. So we thought we'd come in. We walked in from the hotel, St George. It was about a 20-minute walk. I have done previous videos of it, if you want to have a look at those. So this is the main square in Chloraka. That's the main church, and this was the Easter Sunday celebration going on. So there was a few market stalls. It wasn't a big one by any means, but it was the nearest one to the hotel, so we thought we'd come along and have a look. So it was actually an evening event. As you can see there, the chairs are all laid out, but the time we were here was in the afternoon. They were just setting up and doing a sound check. So we thought we'd just come through. We hadn't planned it actually, we just thought we'd come along and have a look as we were already coming to Chloraka. Now, as I have done in previous videos, we've looked around Chloraka. It's a lovely little village, very traditional. A couple of little tavernas, a few shops, and obviously the market square, and the main focal point is the church. And the Easter Sunday celebration, as we were led to believe, was going to be a family one, as you would expect in Cyprus. So young and old all come out. Now when we came here it was April time, so it wasn't too hot but still very pleasant. T-shirt and shorts. In the height for summer it would probably be a bit too hot for me anyway. But as you can see, they're expecting quite a lot of people here today. Now they do this in most villages, I think, in Cyprus during the Easter weekend. It is very traditional. So we're just walking away from the main church, and on the left there is the original one, which I think was damaged in an earthquake in the 1950s, I believe, and they rebuilt the new one afterwards. And I think the actual town square was built only in the last 20 years or so. Someone in the comments will probably know, can drop us a comment. That's heading towards the old church there. Now that goes back a long time, I believe. We've got the old statues there as well, commemoration. Just a few people starting to turn up, but I think it was an afternoon one, as I say, so we were a little bit early.
Ένα, δύο, τεστ.
Doing their sound check, getting everything in order. That's the church there, entrance to it. Lovely little church. I did have a look through it in a previous video. tables there ready for the kids. Do like a bit of traditional Greek music, I have to say. There's the entrance to the old original church there. We'll just take a stroll up through the high street. So if you want to go to the local village near to the hotel, if you're staying at the St George or some of the other ones down on the seafront, this is the nearest town to it. And it's very nice as well. Well worth a visit. I mean, you can get a cab. I think there are buses as well, but when we were here, it was over the Easter weekend, so they weren't running as frequent as they would normally, so we just walked it. It was about a 20-minute walk, so not too bad. So as you can see, there's a few shops and restaurants open. This little pub on the corner here, this was open as well. I think it's a British run tavern, this one. The Local, it's called. This is the local bar. Back at the square now. It's starting to fill up a little bit. As you can see, there's a few stalls, ice cream van and stuff. And the music started up. So if you're coming to the St George Hotel, it's always worth checking out if there's anything on locally. If you'd like to see some of the traditional Cypriot celebrations. No more so than there is at Easter. It's probably well worth checking out.